Hello everyone, I'm Jilson Gabriel Vivas Pernes from Santa Catalina, Ilocos Sur, and I graduated at Ilocos Sur National High School. My hobbies are reading Japanese comics, and I play basketball and football, but my favorite is football. That's why I got a chance to join my hometown football club, and I played for them for 1.5 years. I rate my English skills at somewhat 5, I guess. Because sometimes I made mistakes in my grammar and the way I speak is kind of fluent, but sometimes I got confused on how to speak some words and that's all. Thank you, sir and classmates.